Karima Kulagadi. I'm here to demonstrate, hi, I'm Karima Kulagadi. I would like to demonstrate the use of Asana, a collaborative tool used in project management. In this demonstration, I will be creating a new project, defining the project goals, using Asana to organize tasks, adding tasks and sub-tasks in my project, also adding assignee and due dates. I'll also be creating dependency among tasks with the use of Asana. So Asana is a collaborative tool that is using making teamwork neat. Like it ensures that you'll be able to get status of project, to stay on track, and every other use. So let's dive into it. First, I'm going to create a project. On the left side corner of the dashboard, click on Create Project. Select Project. Select a blank project. Name the new give the project a name. New project. New product launch. Select a team and set marketing team. And you can select the privacy to be private to members of marketing team. So we can now click on Create Projects. So this is the dashboard of our new product launch for our projects. We have different view on this dashboard. First, we have the overview. On the overview, we have the project description, the project role, the connected goals, how you can connect the goals to the project in order to ensure if it meets up with the goals. And we have connected portfolio, and we have key resources. These are the highlights of the overview. So we go to the project description and write what the project is all about. There is an example here how you can write the project description, but I have a description I'm going to write. We will use this project to plan the launch of our new product. The goal is to generate 150K in the first year in sales in the first year. So this is our project description, which is a project role. On this session, this is where you add members of the project team. Members of the project team will be added via their email address. So you click on the add member button. You write the name of each member that you want to add to the team. You will set the role of the member. Is it going to be the project admin, the editor, the commenter, or the viewer? You write send. This is an invitation to inform this member that he's going to be involved in this project. So we can add other members. You set the role, editor, button. So you can add as many members as you want. They'll all get an invite to be part of the project. So all these members will be notified about being a member of the new product launch. You can now close this dialog box. So this is how the project role look like on the dashboard. Having created the new project and also assigning roles to the members of the project team, we would go ahead to the list session. The list session is where we are going to add the tasks. We are going to on the list session, we are going to divide our project into phases. Add session. Our session will now be like phase 1, which will be the planning phase. Add session again, phase 2, which will be the production phase. Add session phase 3. Launch. So we have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And within this dashboard, you can move this section around. If you want to move this phase 1 up, it can be like this. You can play around with it. Now, having divided our work, our activity into phases, we'll go ahead and create a milestone for each phase. It's more or less like creating a deliverable for each phase. So you go to the add task section, click on it and create add milestone. Milestone will be added at this phase. Product specification defined. That's for phase 1. This will be moved to phase 1. That's the deliverable for phase 1. Then we go to phase 2, milestone. For the phase 2 milestone, we have 3 different deliverables for the milestone on phase 2. So we have the products, testing complete. We have the production run started. You did all this. You create all these milestones for each phases. Production run complete. So we can move this around. The first one is going to the phase 2. Arranging just like we did earlier on. So this the deliverable for each phase is being organized. So the last one for phase 3, add milestone. You can always write it here and then you move it to the next to the you have to launch. So I'm moving it to phase 3. So now, as you can see, all our deliverables have been organized under each phase. Under our phase 1 planning phase, we have our product specification that has been defined. Under the phase 2, we have that's the production phase. We have the product testing complete, production run started, production run complete. Those are the deliverables. Then under phase 3, we have the launch day. Now we have to create our subtasks, which is more or less like the work package. So for each phase, we have work package for each phase. So add tags. Name of the tags for this phase is product design meeting. You have product design meeting. Add another tag. Design products product package. Sorry. Add tags again. Products, markets, plan. So these are the subtasks, which are simple tasks that will be assigned to each team member. Now, having done that, we go to the phase 2 to do the same thing by adding tasks to the production phase. Get production quotation. Get prototype production. So we've done that. Similarly, we do that for phase 3. For our launch day, we add tags to be sent email to newsletter list. So we have done all this for the deliverable and the work packages. You can view this in the overview to see how it looks like. Our project description has been shown, and the members have. Now we have to go back to the list and assign and attach and assign member to each of the work package. So for this, for phase 1, you go to this row, you find assign, and you go to the activity, click on assign this task, assign it to the team member. The next column you see due date, click on due date. Product design meeting, pick a date for the product design meeting, 15th of April. That is settled. Go to design product package. You can also add additional information about each activity. This is the design product package. You can write more description, such as the color of the package. This will give the task owner what is to be expected at the point of deliverable. The texture of the package. In this place also you can attach document from your computer or from Google Sheet for further explanation if this person that is assigned this task needs further information about. You can use this attach file button to attach file into the description box. So we go back to list so that we can go back to list, assign the task, add due date. Design project package can take like 1 week, so you click on start date. The start date is on Monday 22nd and end, so you drag this, can be dragged to further like 2 weeks. Okay, so we have that selected already. So Monday to Friday, so that is there. The product market plan, assign this task to the team member, add due date just like you did for the other. Click on start date, the market plan. Click on the end date. So this has been assigned. For phase 1 now, we've been able to assign team members and also attach their due dates on it. So now we are going to the phase 2, which is the production phase. We are also going to do the same thing, assigning tasks to the team members. Product testing complete. Production run date. Assign this to the due date. Production run complete. Assign tasks and add the due date. This month of May. This assigning of tasks to different team members. Just want to ensure that all the tasks are being assigned. The launch day will be 1st of June. When every other thing has been done, that's when it will be sent out. So here we are. we've already, at this point, we've been able to create a project. We've also been able to assign tasks to team member. We've been able to add sections to our project by dividing into 3 phases. We're also able to add a milestone and a work package. So these are some of the things that Asana software helps in organizing projects, project management. So now I would like to show you how other views are on Asana software. When you go to the board view, you would be able to see different activities and their due dates. At a glance, it shows it's like the visualization of the tasks. At a glance, you can know what is happening on phase 1, what is happening in phase 2, and what is happening in phase 3. So, and with this, you can also still be able to add more tasks if need be. Then we have the Gantt section, where it shows, the Gantt view shows you how the project is. And here you can also add dependency. Like for here now, if we have a project design meeting, and we're going to have the next phase is design projects and product package, we can add a dependency that the meeting must happen before the design product package. So this is it. It's dependent because it's the outcome of the design meeting that will bring about design of the product package. So with this arrow now, I've created a dependency from one task to another. Between the product design meeting and the design product package, I've been able to create a dependency between these 2 tasks. So this can be done for other tasks too. If you want to create a dependency between tasks, you know what is the predecessor or the successor. So that's for the Gantt chart view. Then we have the calendar view. The calendar view shows you what is happening at a particular date. You'll be able to see what is happening, whose deliverable are we expecting. From there you'll be able to find the detail of the team member that is attached to this project. So you can be able to track it by mentioning his name in the comment section. There's a comment section also there where you'll be able to talk to each individual team member as regards to their projects. We have the workflow view.